guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today I'm going to be having another unboxing for my Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month and you get from 5 to 6 full-size products. They also have 2 more boxes. One is called the premium box, but for that one you pay $35 a month. And they also have another one which is called the Boxylex, but Boxylex happens every 3 months and the cost for them is $50, and on that one you get from 8 to 10 full-size products. So this is what the box looks like this month. It comes with this little card and it tells you the theme for this month. It's candy shop, and on the back it tells you products that you got and the prices for them. It also tells you the variation that you got, and I got number 61. So the first item that I got is this editor palette by Seattle London, and this palette retails for $32. New England Editor Palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richy pigments. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. Next we have this setting spray by Tarte, and this one retails for $23. Actually, I'm gonna spray some right now. Tarte Miracle Setting Spray. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra-fine vegan superfruit mist that refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural, radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. Next we have this one by Real Her, and it's the Ultimate Glow Getter Chic Trio, and this one retails for $28. Ultimate Glow Getter Chic Trio. This chic trio has all the angles covered. This high-quality silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted. Next we have this eye mask, and this one retails for $93. That's really expensive for this little thing. This eye mask reduces puffiness and appearance of fine lines and dark circles. And lastly, we have this cherry buffer, and this one retails for $20. This is what it looks like. It smells so good, you guys. Cherry Body Wash Infused Buffer. This buffers exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. So this is it for this video, you guys. I'm really in love with every product that I got in this Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you on my next one.